2, 1, emo transformation outfit. Tralala. So I brought my emo friend today.
She came to my house.
No, I kidnapped her. She kidnapped me. We're basically becoming an emo baddie. So let's just start. What's your first step? So first step, primer. Okay, so I'm going to explain it for her because she is actually not English, so she speaks French. Okay, so the primers are good if you want your foundation to stick to your face or your makeup. This one specifically. So if you want your makeup to last the whole day for school, the primers is going to go.
And now I'm gonna use the second primer, the original skin for perfecting cooling primer with.
Wait, I should use this to become preppy.
No, like that. You have to.
You put it in my ear. What's that? That's foundation?
The primer. No, the primer.
Oh, so we use another primer. What's this for? Did you use your paintbrush for this?
No.
It looks like you put it in your butt. So guys, if you didn't know, Maya is emo.
You said that like 5 times already.
Yes, but I need them to know, like...
Can I give you clothes? Like also just
yeah. Okay, so this is a full transformation. I'm also changing clothes. Like, what is this? This looks like I'm going to the beach. Who goes to the beach? Because like, emos don't like to tan. We're like white.
Okay, so now we're gonna do eyebrows.
Okay, so step 2, eyebrows. What to use? So she uses a little Catrice eyebrow lip pencil.
First of all,
So you so she follows the outline of my eyebrows and she fills them in. So that's all. You don't need a full-on tutorial. Oh my god, guys, look, she's so emo. She has an Hello Kitty thing. Also, guys, if we smell like fish, it's okay because we ate chips with fish.
I don't think they can smell for the phone.
Yes, they can.
Like this video if you can smell her breath.
I'm so sorry, guys. I'm like, my eyebrows are like the most expressive part of my face. Every time I talk, like my eyebrows move and I'm trying not to move them. And then because it's a bit messy, as you can see, she's gonna add concealer to like shape them.
I used the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop contour concealer and shade
my ass. Yeah, tracing your eyebrows with concealer. But yeah, guys, if you want to become emo, follow this tutorial because she knows her stuff. She's been emo for like... When her mother gave birth to her, she literally just started singing some rock. Like she was like... like before she would even... Yeah, like before she even opened her eyes, she was like... And she was born with a little hair that was like dyed pink and was like a side part. Like she was a born emo. We went to the store and like ate Chinese food and like we feel like throwing up.
No, I don't.
I do because I ate the whole thing. Oh,
it's
Mama,
okay.
do you want to do my makeup with me? Oh, you're gonna break my neck.
Sorry.
Who is your mom talking to?
I don't know.
Is she schizophrenic?
No.
Why are you so aggressive, guys? She has anger issues. She was like... JK, she's really calm. It does not... Ow! Okay, so now we're gonna blend the...
Eyebrows.
Yeah. Wow, this sponge is really soft.
It has water.
Water?
Wet.
Water. It's wet?
Like me.
Oh, what?
Yeah, so like we're gonna blend the concealer because we don't want our eyebrows to look square.
I do.
You want squares all above your eyes.
I want triangles. What is this?
Foundation.
So, step 4.
Foundation.
Foundation. Let me do the text. 1, 2, 3. Foundation.
This is the Revolution Concealer and Define Full Coverage Foundation.
So this is the placement. You can use it how much you want because you have free will.
Because then you'll have like wrinkles. You look like you have wrinkles. Right?
I like wrinkles. Look. Hashtag this is how the foundation looks. As you can see, I'm white as a ghost. This is exactly how you want it to look because then we're gonna add...
We're gonna use
concealer to lighten our face and lift
everything.
Yeah, what she said.
And now we're gonna do like
under our eyes. Put it in my eye next time.
Sorry.
If you want to
do like a plus.
Yeah, so do mathematics on my face. So this is the placement. Look, like this is like a little contour. Guys, September is Suicide Awareness Month, so talk with your cats.
And friends.
And cats. If cats die, I die too.
If I had to choose between curing cancer and to let cats live forever, I choose to let cats live forever.
Yeah, but I don't think they want to live forever.
Womp womp.
Oh, you have to ask the kid first. You have to ask the kid first. Momo, do you want to live forever or...
Do you think he can fucking speak?
Yeah, Momo. Momo, do you want to live forever or... Momo, live if you want to live forever. So, wait, what step is this? I don't know, 5 or 6 or I already 10. Contouring.
6.
Okay, so we're gonna do contouring.
Lightly tap 2 dots. And under the cheekbone, because I saw your makeup tutorial. And you did it right above the blush.
Well, I was stupid and I had no idea what I was talking about, and I just want to get more views, so I just pretended I knew what I was doing, but even though I didn't know what to do.
And you used powder blush on creams, and you didn't use any powder.
Because I didn't have any, and the contour I used was the lipstick from my mom's purse, but I had to pretend it was a contour so that people wouldn't be like, oh, why is she doing a makeup tutorial even if she doesn't have the right stuff? Momo, why are you sad? See, Momo just meowed. That means he is suicidal, so talk to your cat. Momo is going to be okay. Momo.
No, he's just taking a bath.
Look, he's so scared.
Guys,
She's abusing me.
Okay, guys, so now we're gonna use the Rare Beauty cream blush.
Rare Beauty, show this because it's preppy. On the cheekbone.
On the cheekbone, 1 dot, because this gets crazy.
Oh, Momo, Momo. Yes, you want pets from your auntie? Yeah. Okay, now let me get Momo.
Step 8, I think. Yeah, 8.
Guys, I got Momo.
And I'm gonna use my old powder to
I got Momo.
place it.
Oh my god, he wants to learn makeup. Oh, Momo, I hate you. DK, I love him. What does powder do? Tell them. So guys, I'm already making college plans. Can I move here?
No.
Can I make your room my college dorm and then just kick you out?
No.
Wait, Mountain Dew break. Oh! You're biting my food. It's okay, I love you. Ah! Guys, so Mountain Dew is basically radioactive piss. But nobody talks about that, so I am. Momo, if you step on my glasses, I'm gonna step on you. No. Okay, after we use the powder, we're gonna use the colored one so that we can like give color to our face.
Like bronzers.
Bronzer,
or,
yeah. Okay, you're contouring my nose. Oh my god, that actually worked. Like, lifted up my nose. What?
Okay, now we're gonna use blush. Nothing happened, guys. It's okay.
Mommy, I miss my mom. If you guys hear some, it's Momo. He's looking for himself.
Done. And now we did the base. Please close your eyes.
So this is like the base, and then she's gonna do base. Wait, what was that song again? Wait, I serve the base. I serve the base.
Close your eyes and mouth. Close your eyes, please. Cause it's gonna... I know it feels weird.
My lips burn.
It's like gonna fit.
I can't open my eyes. Beauty is
Now
pain.
we're gonna do
Whoa, but now
eyeliner. So now we're gonna not want to move. Close your eyes, please.
Oh my god, guys, I'm emo. I fell in love with an emo girl. I bite, bitch.
I'm afraid this is a weapon in my hand, so I'm gonna let Evie do it.
Yeah, you use that beauty blender as weapon. If you were gonna use this, you'd probably kill me. I need a mirror. Hello, Kitty.
No! Use this emo mirror.
Oh, we're upgrading. I already feel the emo in me. Let the emo out. This is gonna look really cool edited.
So now we're gonna use the Maybelline Firework Mascara, which is the best mascara ever.
Yeah, I tried it once. Wow.
Now we're gonna use these lashes.
So I look kind of like a chav girl because my lips are kind of concealer, but it's okay because I like concealer lips.
You should.
So my lips are slide. Hashtag I'm bleaching. Hashtag Momo. Oh, she's applying lashes, guys. I'm scared. I'm scared good because I'm excited to see myself with lashes. Is this how blind people feel? I mean, I know if you're blind, like you can still see stuff and you just see little black
really.
dots. Oh my god. Wait. Wow. Oh my god. No, she should actually become a makeup artist. Imagine I wear this makeup every day to school. I'll literally own you.
Okay, now we're gonna do the lip combo.
Wait, I can talk it else, cause can you like please accept my talent and actually enjoy that I can talk it else, cause this is actually like an America's Got Talent.
Yeah, okay. So keep your lips like this first of all.
So she's covering my cupid bow.
And now I'm gonna connect it to like the natural
Corner. Kim Kardashian.
Do you like chemo makeup now?
Yeah. You can look good at any makeup if you do it right.
Exactly.
Code. I don't know how she's doing too much. So can you do my lips fast? I have to be somewhere.
No.
Bitch, I'm paying you.
With what?
With Robux.
How much?
Like, so do my lips faster. Or I'm leaving a bad review on Yelp.
I know I did a
Yeah, perfect. No, I love it. I love the big lip effect.
Now
I don't know why.
Use this Tide lip plumping lip balm from the 1NK list. I don't know if this has
Slay, girl, slay. So she applied lip gloss.
no.
I love it.
No,
I love it.
I like something about
It's more makeup. Damn,
it. So
who's
I'm
this
using
pretty
the
girl?
Hourglass 9 eyeshadow and 1 highlighter palette.
You're so pretty.
And I'm first of all gonna use shade Milky Way.
We live in the Milky Way.
That's
Did you
right.
know we live in the Milky Way? That means I'm lactose intolerant to the galaxy.
Okay, close
Do
your
my
eyes.
makeup. I am period you are period you am
Close your eyes. Open your eyes.
So did you do my eyeshadow? I can't even see it, but I love it.
Close your eyes so you can see it. Look, close one
I
eye.
see it. I wanted to say how much I love it, but I choked on my spit.
Now we're gonna use this again. Sitting straight.
No! I'm covering my eyes. So guys, this is my makeup. But now we're going to change into an emo outfit. So let's go. Maya's speaking the outfit. I'm gonna go in the other room so I don't see what she's speaking. Take the phone.
So I already have a plan. Okay, so I'm gonna use sized Spirit Box t-shirt. I'm gonna give her those black flare jeans. Belt. So first of all, I forgot to tell them.
I was eating my noodles.
So first of all, I'm gonna give her this. Take it. This t-shirt
Wow, that's so emo.
and these jeans.
Oh, slay, slay, slay.
This belt.
Slay. She wears it all the time. It's with like bullets.
Okay.
So 3, 2, 1, emo transformation outfit. Tralala. Hi. So now I'm gonna look in the mirror. This is the outfit. How do you rate it? These are the glasses. These are
The
mine.
choice uses.
So this is my Mountain Dew. Wait, let's pretend it's Monster.
Monster is actually so good.
I don't like Monster. Okay, they have these jeans which I love so freaking much. Like I need to steal them. What? Who said that? You shut up, boy. Hey, I know you said that. Hey, don't play with me. I look so emo. So now, because I'm emo, Maya is going to play some songs, emo songs, so that I can like actually get. Somebody's calling you. Okay, guys. So right now, Maya still didn't show me the emo songs. Oh, like yeah. I'm gonna do that right now. I kept waiting, and then I'm going to show her my favorite song.
We have corn.
I love corn. It's corn. A big. Say, Mama ta dorme.
Okay, so we're gonna
Put the music in the music disc. Magic happens. I just killed my man. She was my alibi. It's like, what hour is it? Yeah, it's 3:30 a.m. We're watching Amy something White House.
Back to Black, the movie.
Because she likes Amy and she wants me to watch it, and now we're watching these two dudes kiss. And then I have this cat at my feet, and basically I forgot to do the outro, and I'm just gonna vlog. Yeah, bye, but I'm still gonna vlog.
Okay.
So bye.